Good morning. Welcome to Automation Show. Myself, Shripad Shouche, General Manager, Business Development across India. So today we would like to invite you to visit our stall and witness the latest technology and the product we have launched in this Automation Mumbai exhibitions. You might be all knows Renishaw is very popular in the machining world, but yes, this is the another area where we are introducing our product. So we provides the solutions on the robot. Robot, you all know it's automations, but our terminology is automate automation. Means what it really means. There are still lots of manual intervention in setting the robot, where we call it as the TCP setting, work frame, tool frame, even to check the health of the robot. So Renisha has come up with the solution which will help in terms of fast setting. Like TCP now in conventional method, it's a completely manual process, but with our accessories L90, you can set robot very fast. So it will eliminate all the manual intervention, also the skill requirement, and overall the setup time that you can reduce. It's not only the setup time, but even you can remaster your robot with our T90 solutions. And apart from this, normally many robots are working in the factories, and always cell recovery is the big challenge which needs a skill of the person. So with our solutions like the probes as well as the tool setting probe, you can set up that you can recover that cell at very fast without having the manual intervention. So whenever you are setting up your cells, you need to make programs, you need to add these sensors, and whenever any challenge is there, just click it, it will just take the reference and it will restore the cell. So Renishaw solutions will help you to fasten the automation process, to eliminate the manual interventions, to reduce the skill. And with the sensors, you can, even whenever you are doing the setup change, just use these sensors that will help you to make fast setup of your automation cell. Industrial automation solutions, we are displaying Equator gauging systems. Equator gauging systems is very popular across the world because nowadays people are looking for more and more export component, and that drives the necessity to have 100% inspection in the shop floor, and that's where Equator plays a very important role. It's a customized gauge. It can work with the automation cell. So we have given various solutions to the industry. It's include automotive as well as the electronic industry and other also. It We have given this solutions along with the robot, gantry, slider kind of automation, so that in complete automation process, after machining component will come to the Equator, and then it will give the inspection. Even it had a capability to connect with the machine, so that if you had any variation in the component, automatically it will give the compensation to the machines. So it gives a capability in your automation cell to make it completely automized. Otherwise then you need to depend on manual inspection and giving corrections to the machines. That will not solve your purpose, and that's where Equator plays a very important role in making a complete manufacturing setup automatic with this kind of solutions. So thank you. Please visit Automation Mumbai exhibition and witness this product and have the live demonstration.